Summerslam 2019 match card and results. Drew Gulak versus Oney Lorcan for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match retained the Cruiserweight Champion, Drew Gulak. Apollo Crews versus Buddy Murphy. There was no contest to this match. Alexa Bliss and Nikki Cross versus the Iconics for the Women's Tag Team Champions. The winners of the match retaining the Women's Tag Team Champions, Alexa Bliss and Nikki Cross. Becky Lynch versus Natalya for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match retaining the Raw Women's Champion, Becky Lynch. Goldberg versus Dolph Ziggler. The winner of this match was Goldberg. AJ Styles versus Ricochet for the United States Champion. The winner of this match retained the United States Champion, AJ Styles. Bayley versus Ember Moon for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match retaining the SmackDown Women's Champion was Bayley. Kevin Owens versus Shane McMahon. The winner of this match was Kevin Owens. Trish Stratus versus Charlotte Flair. The winner of this match was Charlotte Flair. Kofi Kingston versus Randy Orton. The winner of this match was no contest due to double countout, meaning Kofi Kingston retained the WWE Champion. Finn Balor versus The Fiend Bray Wyatt. The winner of this match was The Fiend Bray Wyatt. Brock Lesnar versus Seth Rollins for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match and the new Universal Champion was Seth Rollins. That's all for SummerSlam 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.